In this short tutorial I'm going to teach you how to make an emboss text that you can use within ProShow Producer in one of your shows. So in Photoshop you go to File and you come to New, and you want a new piece of white paper on your desktop measuring 1024 pixels by 768 pixels, a resolution of 72, and as I've said, the background color is white. Click onto that and this white rectangle will appear on your desk. Come over to your layers palette and come down to this sign here, which is the create a new layer icon. Just left click once and a new blank layer will appear above your white background. Come over here and pick up your text tool, and you want the largest text that you can get, which is 72 in Photoshop, and you want your color, and you want a nice sort of goldy color. We'll pick this one here and click OK. Come into the white piece of paper and start typing. Once you've finished your typing, then left click on your white piece of paper and drag the text exactly where you want it. Come up here and confirm it by clicking onto this tick. Hold down your control key and tap your letter T on your keyboard. Will bring up the free transform tool, and you can drag your text now to make it as large or as small as you want to. Once you've got it into the position that you want, double left click within the square and the free transform tool will go away. Now come down into your layers palette to this little sign here, the FX sign, add a new layers style. Come down the list to bevel and emboss, click onto this, and this dialog box will appear. Ignore everything on it except this one here, which is size. Left click onto it and drag it slowly to the right and watch your text as you do so. When you've got the desired effect, then let go and click onto this sign here, which is the drop shadow. Come over onto the white piece of paper and you'll find that you can now drag, by holding your left mouse down, that drop shadow in any way you want it on the desk. We'll say, for example, you want it just there. Come over to here and click OK. Come into your layers palette again and hold your pointer over the T of the text and hold down your control key and left click, and you'll find that you get a row of marching ants all the way around your text. Come over here now to filter and come down to noise, come out to add noise. You'll get a sign here which says that you have to change your text to a rasterized type. So all you have to do here is click OK, and yes, it's done. And this box will appear, and all you have to do is just confirm it by clicking OK. Now we want to go one step further and go to filter, come down to blur, come out and come down to motion blur. And this box will appear, and you'll find that you can watch the text on the screen and make that blur obvious or not quite so obvious. We'll say, for example, we like it just about there. You can alter the position by just bringing this little wheel around. We say, for example, we like it there, and click OK. Hold down your control key and tap the letter D, which will make the marching ants go away. If you click onto the eye by the side of your background layer, this will just prove to you that you have your text on a blank layer, which you can leave it as that and save it as a PNG file, which will work in Photoshop, which will work in ProShow Producer. I do hope this tutorial has been useful. If I can be of any more help, please just let me know.